Everything you've ever known about the universe is about to be blown wide open. Black holes aren't just mysterious, they're downright terrifying. What if I told you that time itself breaks down inside a black hole? Or that black holes can swallow entire stars without a trace? Keep watching, because we're about to dive into some of the craziest, most mind-blowing facts about black holes that will make you question everything you thought you knew about space. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. They're invisible, yet they control entire galaxies. They warp space and time, and nothing, not even light, can escape them. But here's the kicker. The more we learn about black holes, the weirder and scarier they get. In this video, we're going to break down some of the most insane facts about black holes that you probably never knew. Get ready for your mind to be blown. Most of us think we have a pretty good handle on space. Planets, stars, galaxies. It all makes sense, right? But then there are black holes. These things defy logic. The rules of physics, as we know them, completely break down inside a black hole. And that's the problem. Black holes are so extreme, even scientists struggle to understand them. The challenge we face is simple. Black holes are literally rewriting our understanding of the universe. We're talking about objects so powerful that they bend space, slow down time, and trap light forever. But how can we even begin to comprehend something that messes with the very fabric of reality? That's what we're going to explore. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn is going to change how you see the universe forever. 1. Black holes can grow to unimaginable sizes. When you think of a black hole, you might picture something small, maybe the size of a planet. But here's the truth. Black holes can grow to truly monstrous sizes. We're talking supermassive black holes, and I'm not exaggerating. Some of these monsters are billions of times more massive than our sun. In the center of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, there's a supermassive black hole. The one at the center of our galaxy, known as Sagittarius A*, has a mass equivalent to 4 million suns. And that's nothing compared to the largest black hole ever discovered, Ton 618, which weighs in at a mind-blowing 66 billion solar masses. Imagine something that massive just sitting in space, silently swallowing stars and gas, growing larger and more powerful with every passing moment. These supermassive black holes are like cosmic vacuums, shaping entire galaxies with their immense gravity. 2. Time slows down near a black hole. Now here's where things get really trippy. Time itself behaves differently around black holes. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the closer you get to a black hole, the slower time moves. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Let's say you were able to travel near the edge of a black hole, the event horizon, without getting pulled in. To you, everything would feel normal, but to someone watching you from a safe distance, it would look like you're moving in slow motion. Seconds would stretch into minutes, minutes into hours. In fact, if you were to get really close to the event horizon, time would appear to stop altogether from an outside perspective. This means that, in theory, if you could survive near a black hole, you could experience time differently than the rest of the universe. It's almost like time travel, but way more dangerous. 3. They can swallow entire stars. You've heard the phrase, black holes suck up everything around them. Right. Well, that's not entirely true. Black holes don't suck. Instead, they pull objects in with their immense gravitational force. And when a star gets too close, it's game over. When a star ventures too close to a black hole, it gets torn apart in a violent process called spaghettification. Yes, that's a real term. The black hole's gravity stretches the star into a long, thin shape, like spaghetti, before completely devouring it. What's left is a stream of hot, glowing gas spiraling into the black hole, known as an accretion disk, before disappearing forever. What's even crazier is that when this happens, the black hole can actually light up the surrounding space, temporarily becoming one of the brightest objects in the universe. That's right, something known for being invisible can momentarily outshine entire galaxies when it feasts on a star. 4. They can burp after eating. As terrifying as black holes are, they're also weirdly unpredictable. Sometimes, after consuming a massive amount of material, like a star, black holes actually burp. Well, not literally, but they can release massive jets of energy and particles into space. These jets are powered by the intense magnetic fields around the black hole, and they can shoot out across vast distances, sometimes spanning entire galaxies. These jets travel at nearly the speed of light and can wreak havoc on anything in their path. So yeah, black holes don't just devour, they also have the potential to cause massive destruction even from a distance. 5. The smallest black holes could fit in your hand. You might think that all black holes are massive, but here's something that will blow your mind. Black holes can be incredibly tiny. Scientists have theorized the existence of primordial black holes, which could be as small as an atom, but still contain the mass of a mountain. These black holes are thought to have formed right after the Big Bang, and while we haven't directly observed one yet, they could be floating around the universe right now. Imagine holding a black hole in your hand, something so small, yet so incredibly dense that it could bend space and time around it. It's like holding a piece of the universe's most intense energy in the palm of your hand. 6. Black holes could be portals to other universes. Okay, now we're venturing into the really wild stuff. Some scientists believe that black holes might not just be the end of the line for whatever falls into them. There's a theory that black holes could actually be portals to other universes. Think about it. Black holes bend space and time to the point where our current understanding of physics completely breaks down. Some physicists, like Stephen Hawking, have speculated that inside a black hole, there could be a passage to a completely different universe, a multiverse. While we don't have any hard evidence for this yet, it's one of the most fascinating ideas out there. If it's true, black holes could be the key to unlocking new dimensions of reality we can't even begin to imagine. 7. They will eventually evaporate. For something as terrifying as a black hole, you'd think they're eternal. But here's a fact that'll surprise you. Black holes can eventually evaporate. This is because of something called Hawking radiation, a concept proposed by Stephen Hawking. Hawking radiation occurs when particle-antiparticle pairs near the event horizon of a black hole cause it to lose a tiny bit of mass over time. This process is incredibly slow, especially for supermassive black holes. But over billions of years, they will shrink and eventually disappear. That's right, black holes might be powerful, but even they can't escape the slow march of time. Eventually, in the far, far future, the universe could be left without any black holes at all. Climax, key moment. Black holes are some of the most mysterious, powerful, and downright bizarre objects in the universe. From their ability to bend time and space, to their potential as portals to other realities, they challenge everything we thought we knew about physics. They're not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're gateways to the unknown. But what's really mind-blowing is that we've only scratched the surface of understanding them. The more we learn, the more questions arise. And who knows, one day, black holes could reveal secrets about the universe that we can't even begin to comprehend. Conclusion. Summary. So what have we learned? Black holes are massive, mysterious, and mind-bending objects that defy the laws of physics. They grow to unimaginable sizes, slow down time, devour stars, and could even be gateways to other universes. Despite their terrifying power, they might one day disappear completely, leaving us to wonder about their true nature. There's so much more to discover about black holes, and as our technology improves, we'll get closer to uncovering the truth. Until then, they remain one of the universe's greatest mysteries, both fascinating and terrifying. Curious about more space mysteries? Watch the next video for even crazier facts about the universe.